thanks so much for that kind introduction. I'm really happy to be here again with the Embedded Vision Alliance, and thanks to the organizers for giving me a chance to mouth off a bit on GANs. A really good idea that can be made much better if we think about them more carefully than people tend to. So GANs, Generative Adversarial Networks. Before I describe how they work, let me show you a little bit about what they can do. So one very impressive magic trick from GANs is to take pictures, whether those are paintings or photographs or a still from a movie, and to be able to generate believable movies of the character that is seen in that one image. Quite impressive, really. To synthesize images of people who don't even exist, such that you can't even tell the difference between those synthetic people and real ones. And interestingly, to be able to do super resolution. So being able to take a low resolution image and make a believable version of a high resolution of the same image, sort of a CSI pretend that they could do. And you can see on the left of this picture there at the bottom, old school super resolution before deep learning using bicubic interpolation, and you can see how blurry the image is. I guess I hope you can see that from the screen. The super res based on GANs, which is the SR GAN that's circled there, makes a picture that's almost the same as the high resolution image to the right. So it does a surprisingly credible job. So really impressive, really influential technology.